Mike goes, look, when you're a production manager for the builds, you gotta make sure everything's charged. Oh, this is crap. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Ty and Gig Builds. This week, we're building an old school retro cabinet that we're gonna play some NES games on.
That's right, we built a retro TV cabinet for the RetroPie.
Builds. Okay, we're doing a dry fit here, guys. You can see we're just gonna need to do a slight angle on these to match our 5-degree angle we have for the front of the box. Okay.
Yep.
Is that a nice fit?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the dados look good. I don't know. Got the dado. Nice snug fit here. Next, we're going to, since we've done a dry fit and we have all these dimensions laid out, now we can kind of just figure out what size we want for our piece in the middle here. We're gonna cut that out. We'll have a nice board to fit right in here. We're gonna do a couple more dry fits. And then we might have to start gluing, baby. We might have to do it. Oh. You guys are gonna get to see us struggle to put this together.
Yep.
So enjoy that. And sit back, relax, we'll do the work here. Builds.
I'm gonna have to call him back up. Excellent, now that the glue's drying up, we'll go explain how we're gonna actually play the games in the system. We're using RetroPie. It's a very simple, easy to install OS. I'm not gonna explain it tutorial-wise how I did it. I'll leave a link in the description of the tutorial I use. It's very simple. You just install the OS and then download the ROMs and add the ROMs to the USB drive. I got this kit to make it look kind of cool. It's like a nice plastic case around the Raspberry Pi 4. This is my first time using the Raspberry Pi 4. I'm pretty excited. It's actually very simple. In this case, we're just using it for the RetroPie, but I do have another Raspberry Pi 4 we're gonna use for a future project, so that one I think will be more exciting to see the limits on, but let's get back to the build.
Check the build.
Yeah. We did a dry fit of the drawer and it gets caught. Yeah, kind of sucks. But we're gonna fix it really quick. We're gonna take these blocks out, everything out. Once we take it out, we're gonna route out kind of a groove on the bottom just to give it space to pop open. And then we'll test it again. Once that works, we'll... So once we finish up the groove here, we make sure it actually opens. Tomorrow we're gonna sand everything down. Then we're just gonna do a few, touch-up things. We're gonna fix this little gap here, put in this base, and then we're not actually gonna attach a back because we realize that it's gonna be a huge door and it's not actually gonna be used because it's gonna be against a wall basically. So we're not gonna include the back, though we did cut the back door. Kind of a waste. You learn.
We did the Gig sand down, one of my personal faves, aside from the table saw, but we're going to finish her off with some Mahoney's, get everything set in place here, get this platform for the TV set in place.
And then Gig was nice enough to break some edge banding so we could clean this up a little bit.
Yeah, stick the old brass piece on and call it a build. Builds. Builds.
Come on. sound right, boy.
That was a great build. I'm really loving the style. It gives you that retro feel.
Oh yeah, definitely, nice to go back to woodworking. Great to integrate it with the Pi. It's gonna be awesome to play that, late at night, Saturday when you're
Banged up. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram. We do some little builds on there, little side action. But we really appreciate the support. We got a Raspberry Pi build coming up for you guys next week, and we're gonna keep building.
We're not gonna stop building.
Build!
It sound right, boy.